Welcome to the studio. I'm Kylie, and today we're practicing our drawing by drawing a sailboat. Let's make it. This boat's gonna be out on the water, so let's start there. I'm gonna make a wavy line for waves. Cool. Now for the hull of our boat. I'm gonna draw a straight line and then slightly curved lines, but I'm gonna stop when I get to the waves. Now it looks like those waves are in front of the boat and the boat is behind them. It's called overlapping. Now a line straight up and down. Cool. And I like to put a little triangle on top for a little sail. Now for the main sail, draw a curved line from the very top, like that, a straight line that connects to the vertical line you just made, and then a line that curves out just slightly and goes top to bottom. That makes it look like there's wind in our sail, moving our boat forward. And now for the jib, which is going to be a triangle again. It's gonna go out like this and connect right here. Boom. Now you can add any pattern you want because sailboats are often super colorful. So I'm gonna add some stripes, polka dots, and then color it in. I can't wait for you to make your own sailboat drawing at home and design it however you want. You're the artist and this is your art, so make it how you imagine it. If you want to make more things with me, you know I want to make more things with you. Drawings, all different kinds of art. Just subscribe to this channel. Kylee Makes It. Kylee. That's me. And I'll see you soon.